back tire with the compressor. Did you turn that compressor off last night?
Yeah.
What did I say? It was 21 inches? Where is this place? What?
It's really clicking now, huh?
What?
The engine.
Where is this place?
It's in the wall.
Did I just hit something?
No.
Feels like I did.
This is snowman.